First contact and first fear. The Volari High Surveyor vessel Abrexel hung in low orbit over Earth, silent and invisible to human instruments. For the Volari, a race of cerebral explorers with translucent skin and minds attuned to pattern recognition, Earth was an anomaly worth investigating. Not for its technology, which was crude, but for its biology. And among Earth's strange features, one life form stood out: Homo sapiens. They're not the largest, nor the fastest, High Analyst Vortal muttered, his 6 fingers scrolling through holographic scans. But somehow, they dominate this entire biosphere. Apex predator. Curious. Another Volari, linguist scientist Threx, tapped a display. Observe their species classification: mammals, omnivorous, no claws, poor natural armor. Yet they outcompete species with better evolutionary tools. And violence, Vortal added. Violence is embedded into their civilization. It's ritualized, militarized, even entertained. The Volari were puzzled, but intrigued. This was a species that glorified war through music, games, films, entire economies and cultural identities built around destruction. One subset of these humans, however, consistently appeared in red flag behavior reports: the Americans. They used the term freedom like a religious mantra, Threx noted. But the frequency of their aggression, independence, and tactical innovation is statistical outlier level. A field team was dispatched to the region known as Montana, sparsely populated, low media density, perfect for covert analysis. The Volari lander drifted silently over the pine forests, its cloaking veil shimmering. For scout biologists disembarked under cover of night and abducted 3 human males near a hunting cabin. They sedated them, tagged them, and brought them aboard the mobile lab for behavioral analysis. Standard procedure. But within 2 hours, the humans had escaped. The first alarm came when the internal lights began flickering. Power surges. Manual override failed. The aliens found that their environmental systems had been sabotaged using scrap wiring and a hunting knife. The second alarm was physical. 2 of the scouts were missing. The third was discovered unconscious in the specimen room, jaw shattered and limbs bound with duct tape. Primitive but effective. Etched into the wall with what looked like a screwdriver were the words, "You came to the wrong country." Then came the scream from outside. Volari Guard Unit Captain Sithric rushed toward the sound, only to stop short. One of the missing humans had impaled a scout to a tree with a long steel knife. One of their own field